How to loop a video on Instagram story. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app is open, from the top left, tap on your profile story icon and it will open a new page on the screen where you need to select a media file or tap on the camera icon to open it. Once the camera screen appears, tap on boomerang or loop option from the left side and tap on that to start recording. Once the recording is complete, it will take a couple of moments to complete processing and you will see that the video starting running in a loop. After that, from the bottom right, tap on arrow icon and a page will pop up on the screen. Select your friends list and tap on the share button and finally tap on finish button to complete. And there you go. Your video will play in a loop on your Instagram story. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.